Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you all are excited about today's video, my room tour. I am too. I can't wait to show you, but before I get into that, I have to take a moment to thank our sponsor, LOL. If you know me personally or you've watched my videos, you know how much I value and love my sleep. I probably don't get enough of it, let's be real, but it's really important to me that I get good quality sleep on a good mattress, and LOL is exactly that. They send a mattress, which is shocking to me, literally in a box to your doorstep. It has a cooling gel infused layer. They have free shipping and a 100-night trial with free returns. The mattress, of course, is very comfortable. The setup for me was really easy and really convenient, especially just moving. I've been sleeping on my LOL mattress for 3 nights and I have slept through the night every single night. It is so incredibly soft. And I could just go on and on about this company forever. I'm so glad I reached out and chose this company for my mattress. I know you saw what the mattress looks like in the montage before I started talking in depth, but I wanted to come over to my bed and actually show you guys a little closer up, because in all honesty, I was a little skeptical when I heard about a mattress in a box. I was like, sounds too good to be true. Sounds like it wouldn't actually be comfortable if it can roll up in a box, but they use, I'm gonna put a video over this on the screen, a high pressure technology to wrap up the mattress when it goes in the box. And this mattress has a premium 3-layer design with cooling comfort, therapeutic support, and lasting durability. Another thing, they do have pillows as well. I've been sleeping with these the past 3 nights and they are super supportive and have a similar 3-layer design. If you guys are in the market for a new mattress, LOL is 100% the way to go. On that note, if you guys want to get your very own LOL mattress, I have a link that I will leave down below in the description box. All right, without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about this video. My room tour is finally here. This has been such a long time coming. If you are a long-time subscriber or you've been following me the past couple months, you know about the moving situation. I just can't wait to get this video out to you guys. I know some of you guys are excited. I'm so excited. It's finally here, so I'm just gonna get right into this. I got my best girl behind the camera. Allie is filming for me, so we're just gonna get right into it. Starting off, this very empty cork board and my hamper down here. With this room, I was really going for the aesthetic boho terracotta natural wood vibes. I got a lot of wood shades going on in here. So I am in high school right now and I have 3 more years left, so I just want to fill this up throughout the next 3 years with a bunch of high school memories. I have a Polaroid of me and my dad right here, and I just want to, like I said, fill this up with a bunch of memories so I can have it to just look at. Look, why are you panning in? To look at and just filled with all those memories. So this is my hamper down here, and then over here I just honestly needed something to fill this space, and this hat was perfect. This is my Smokey the Bear hat. This was sent to me in a collab. Also, before I continue on, I want to mention that I will be linking as much as possible down below in the description box in case you guys have any other questions about where things are from, just leave a comment down below, DM me on Instagram, and I will try to get you a link or something very similar. This little thing right here honestly really came in handy because without it, my school books would just be lying all over the floor. And this is from HomeGoods. Okay, moving over here to my little desk schoolwork slash YouTube workspace. I have two floating shelves up here. These are both from Amazon and these prints are from Etsy, and I just decorated these with some little trinkets and things I had around. I also have some special things in there. This thing, I don't know what it holds or what it is used for, but it used to be my grandma's. This perfume down here also used to be hers. It's Chanel, and I just love that because it's little touches of my grandma, and I know she would have loved this room. So these little succulents are from IKEA. These are old Ray-Bans. Like I said, the prints are from Etsy, and this container that used to be my mom's, I have no idea where it's from, just holds some glasses. This little wood cutout is something I had custom made on Etsy. It was like 99 cents, and it's just perfect up there. And moving down to the actual desk itself, this chair is from Home Depot. I got it on sale. I don't remember how much it was, but I'll leave a link down below. Don't know if they are doing more sales or what the deal is, but I really wanted a chair like this with the natural wood bottom, and so many of them were so expensive and looked very uncomfortable, and this one was the move because it has a pad right here which makes it a lot more comfortable to sit on. Also, it was really easy put together. So, and my desk. I searched long and hard for a desk I really loved, and I finally came across this one. I got this from the Magnolia collection. It's so perfect. It fits the space really well, and it's the exact thing I was looking for. I just put this plant on here. I believe this is from HomeGoods. It actually used to be Allie's. Books, this is Tezza's Insta Style book, and then a planner below there just to add some cute decor. And this just holds some pencils, chargers, and these little push pins for the cork board. And that is held inside this jar. This also used to be my grandma's. I don't know where the heck she got it or where it's from, but it honestly fit this space perfectly, and it was a cute little terracotta addition to my accent color. So that is the desk. Now over to my very favorite part of the room, my bed. For all my life I've slept on a twin bed, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna upgrade. You guys heard me rave about how much I love my mattress at the beginning of this, so I'm just gonna talk about what is on top of it now. First of all, I have these white pillows that my mom gave me. I believe they used to be on her bed or something, but I just was looking for basic white Euro pillows, and these worked out perfect. I searched very long and hard for pillows that I really loved, and these were just one of those things that I saw and I had to buy immediately. I got these online from a shop in Canada. They make handmade Moroccan pillows that I'm literally obsessed with. I feel like they fit the vibe of this room perfectly. And then this pillow right here was yet another HomeGoods find. I didn't get this until about a week before moving in because I still hadn't found exactly what I was looking for. I was originally just gonna put another white pillow right here, but I'm very glad I did not settle for the white pillow because I feel like that would have just been very blah in comparison to this. I love this, and it brings in a little more color than just the neutrals and the terracotta. There's a darker cream, and then if Allie can zoom in, you see the fluff and the yellow color in there as well. Moving to my comforter, I love this, and I for some reason thought I was just gonna use a white comforter or a white duvet, and I did not put two and two together. I didn't realize that I only had a duvet insert and not a duvet cover. So when I went to Target to buy a duvet cover, I was hoping they had a white one. They didn't have a basic white one, but they did have this, and I was really obsessed with it. Sorry, there's some little things on there. I just love the pattern, and again, the distressed vibe and how it looks with the pillows. I think it all came together perfectly, and it was just meant to be. All right, let's talk wall decor above my bed. If you watched my room decor haul, you heard the story about this beautiful macrame tapestry, whatever you would call it. I originally found one on Etsy that I was beyond obsessed with, but one problem. It was $150. It looked very similar to this, and I ended up getting this at HomeGoods for around 50 bucks. It had little gold squares sewn into it, and they were these cheap metallic looking squares. What I did is I just went through and cut them all off, and voila, this was created. I think it's so perfect for the space, and instead of just ordering something online that was hundreds of dollars because I just first thing I found and liked, I'm really glad I searched and was able to save money on this and do a little somewhat of a DIY. You guys, how freaking cute are the baskets on this wall above me? I saw baskets like these all over Pinterest and I couldn't find them anywhere. I found baskets at thrift stores and Home Goods, but none that really matched the wood colors I liked or baskets I loved in general until I saw Nate and Sutton. If you don't follow them or if you're not subscribed to them, you should definitely be, because they post really great faith-based videos. Anyway, I saw them post a picture of a bedroom in their house and these baskets were on the wall and I was like, where did you get those? So I sent them a DM and they referred me to a shop, I think it's based in Georgia, called Wooden Phoenix Designs. Anyway, the owner was amazing. This is not sponsored by them, but if you guys want to go check them out, they're a really cool small shop based there. Up here is this mirror that I got at IKEA. I love this. So Allie can agree on this. Our old mirrors were stretched and they would just distort like our faces, or I don't know, there was something off about them. So we're very particular about our mirrors, and if you're like us and you want a good mirror that's you're gonna look at and it's gonna make you feel real confident about yourself, get this one from IKEA. We can both attest to this. It is very flattering and goes with the color scheme. One more little thing about this is, I'm just gonna turn it around. You can hang things right here on the back of this. So for example, if I wanted to set out my clothes for school for the next day, I could just grab them from my closet, hang them back here, and they'd be ready for the morning and they wouldn't be wrinkled or mess up the vibe of the room, because I think at this point you know how much of a control freak I am about my room decor. So I love this mirror and I think it's obviously very cute to put in a room, but it's also functional. One of my very favorite parts of this room is that the bathroom is attached to the bedroom, so I can just bring some snacks up here and spend all day in here without having to leave. In here is my bathroom. The floors are brick set in a herringbone pattern. I'm gonna flip on the lights. It's very nice and bright in here. This house was a new build, so this is just the generic gray countertops and just toiletries and bathroom storage all through the medicine cabinet and the cabinets down here. Over here is very obviously the toilet, and above it I have this from Hobby Lobby. Alright, so normally I wouldn't be bringing it in the shower with me, but today's video is an exception. Welcome in. I just have a shower hanger organizer, nothing too special right here, with my razors and shower products on there, and the tile in here is regular subway tile that is offset. That brings us to the end of this room tour. Don't forget, if you want to get your little mattress, you can click the link down below in the description, and everything, at least I will try to find everything. If not, I'll leave something similar down below in the description for you guys to shop. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of the room and bathroom are. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah. MTV, welcome to my crib. Ow. MTV, welcome to my crib.
To my!
I lagged.
Ew.
Say that again. Get off! Get off. Please get off. Get off. Get off. Oh my God.